talk, you are only repeated what you already know. But when you listen, you may learn something new. So I know you, kailangan ganito mo kay Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago, right? Okay. Iyan grabe sa UP 1.0. Nag-rurigid na siya. Okay? Hopefully, maminaw yun mo. Ako when I was young. Until now, I'm a student. Maminaw yun ako sa kong teacher. I prefer to sit in front. Kaya kung sa likod dito yung pag sinamog, no? Mangibig, ang mga classmates. So I prefer to sit down in front. Kaya tungod daw, kung matali kita sa front view ko, no? And then, of course, I know and I believe that we always aim for excellence. We always aim to get 100 really. Even your school, your aim to have a successful graduates from Bonifacio Elementary School. Even teacher, di ba nga sabi na, sana pag mag-retire yung teacher, hindi na teacher 1. Sana na-promote. No, when you come again to promote. So hopefully you will listen. I know and I believe teachers are excellent, bright little teachers, because you are the one molding other professions. Bright little teachers. O later, ako rin share namin bright little teachers. Teachers are heroes, right? Okay? Then next year, okay. So this one, daw si Ma'am Beth. Ma'am Beth, mag-share na Ma'am Beth, magandang silang mo doon na ganyan counselor ako. Ma'am Beth, dyan ka din mga tala sa akin, Ma'am J, mo lisensya. Ma'am, dyan ka doon, Ma'am, hindi ko salary grade. Ma'am, Ma'am, dati ka na ba today? Diba? I love to talk to the beggars. I love to talk to the scavengers. I go to the prisoners. I talk to them. The reason why they nananapreso man sila. Why they use drugs? Katulid ko. Parang nag-yun naman sila. Nga naman, kaya parang masabi na mo, why they behave such like that? Why they use drugs? So, ano ni? Diba? Talking to the scavengers, to the beggars. For the rich people, they don't know how to budget 100 pesos. But when you talk to the scavengers, you talk to the beggars, you will learn how they budget 100 pesos in a day. Right? So, teachable. Okay? And then keep yourself humble. Practice your craft without running after the praises of others. Seek purpose and not perfection. Hopefully, we practice this one. You should always be humble. Okay? So later, dala ka na. Ako mga wisdom niya. Okay? Surround yourself with people who believe in you and want to see you win and conquer. Hopefully, our teachers here in Bonifacio Elementary School, you help each other because we are one DepEd family. You show your harmonious relationship with other people, with your colleagues, okay? And then keep them, love them, bless them, and pray for them. For example, si Christine, ganun yun, no? Tungod sa kung kabata, this psychology is the scientific study of mind and behavior. So usually, makakita mo yun kung marino nila ang behavior. Consistent patterns of behavior. If this person who is in front of me is class A or B. So instead na maglagot ako, o di ba kayo, practice yan ng counseling and psychotherapy. Instead na maglagot ako, insultuhan galing ka. Oo, insultuhan ako. Masiyaw na ako mo. Diyan nag-ibihawal ng mga people will exploit you. People who feel inferior, they will exploit you. Because they are toxic people. So what I did, kalami naging manumbang, kalami magkaway, kalami magdinalita, pero hindi na kumuon. Kaya mag-pray ko, Lord, please, Holy Spirit. Kadang Lord, pray ko kang Lord. Kada sa akong kalagot kayo, magtuwarahan ko. And I know and I believe God will always be me in the presence of my enemies. I don't know, ito mag-edosabtan na, nagbuta na kantanan sila, no? Kung ganahan sila sa kong license, kung ganahan sila, bukod-bukid ko, I serve, I help people for free. Kalisod kayo mag-study ng psychology, studying psychology is for the bravest. Parang it's like, they look at me as a threat. Oh my God, so if I give up na akong career, I give up din na ako. No? Tumutulungin ako. Mag-teach dito for free just to help the people. So hopefully, no? Wala na gaya ng mga work immersion class, that ay nakaroon, internship, kung kisay gusto mag-psychologist, si may gusto mag-guidance counselor, I know. Okay? So hopefully, don't be teachable, you are not always right and be open. No? Maski ako, I'm just a human. Still subject for mistakes. But of course, we need to be open-minded. Accept the reality. Accept the feedback. And then when we give feedback, make sure it is not a personal attack. Feedback based on our work.